I will be sewing with an overlock machine, but if you don't have one, you can use a sewing machine with a zigzag stitch. Pin the pocket facing to the front skirt piece, right sides together. Sew along the pocket opening with a straight stitch. Trim the seam allowance. Press the pocket facing away from the skirt piece with your iron. Top stitch the seam allowance to the pocket facing to keep it in place. Fold the pocket facing to the wrong side of the skirt. Press so that the seam rolls slightly to the inside. Top stitch along the pocket opening using a stitch length of 3 to 3.5 millimeters. Place the pocket piece over the pocket facing, right sides together. Pin in place. Sew the curved edge of the pocket pieces together to create the pocket bag. Fix the pocket by stitching the two ends of the pocket opening to the skirt to prevent shifting. Place the back skirt piece on top of the front skirt piece, right sides together. Pin and sew the side seams. Pin and sew the curved edges of the two front pieces of the shorts together, right sides facing. Repeat for the two back shorts pieces. This creates the front and back shorts. Place the front and back pieces of the shorts right sides together. Pin and sew the side seams. Pin the center seams together, sew the inseam. If your fabric does not fray, you can leave the raw edges of the leg openings unfinished. To hem the bottom of the shorts, fold and use a 3-step zigzag stitch. Fold the waistband in half-short edges right sides together and sew them to form a loop. Leave a small opening in the seam to insert the elastic later. Optional. Top stitch around the opening. You can also add a drawstring if desired. Fold the waistband in half, wrong sides together. Place the shorts inside the skirt, all right sides facing you. Place the folded waistband on top, aligning raw edges. The opening in the waistband should face you, so that when you fold it up later, the hole will be hidden inside the skirt. Pin all together and sew. Top stitch the seam allowance to the skirt to keep it flat. Hem the skirt using your preferred method. I recommend folding the hem allowance to the wrong side and top stitching with a twin needle to create 2 parallel stretchy lines for a professional finish. Measure and cut elastic to fit your waist comfortably when stretched. Insert it through the waistband opening. Overlap the ends and sew them together securely with a zigzag stitch. Close the waistband opening by hand stitching. To keep the elastic from twisting, stitch it to the waistband at the side seams or at the waistband seam.